AttributeError. Bool object has no attribute. I am working on a Django project and essentially I have written a model which stores user details. They complete this profile after they have signed up and I have a boolean in the user model which states whether they have completed this custom profile yet so I can make changes in the template. When the form for the second profile page gets submitted, I would like it to update the bool from false to true, but I am getting the error. See code below. Views.py. Forms.py. Anyone able to suggest a better way to update this, to get rid of the error?
Bool object has no attribute as _created _artist _profile means you're trying to access the attribute as _created _artist _profile of a Boolean object, true or false, rather than that of an object. For example, true.as _created _artist _profile will produce the exact same error. From your code, you set artist _status to that of a Boolean which was part of an object, current_artist, and then tried to access a property from that Boolean. As advised, you have removed the artist _status variable, and you are now using the current_artist object directly.
The Python AttributeError column bool object has no attribute occurs when we try to access an attribute on a Boolean value, true or false. To solve the error, track down where you are setting the value to a Boolean or use the hasAttr method to check for the attribute's existence. Here is how the error occurs. You are trying to access an attribute on a Boolean, true or false, instead of on the object. If you print the value you are accessing the attribute on, it will be a Boolean. So you need to track down where exactly you are setting the value to a Boolean in your code and correct the assignment.
Boolean